चल नहीं करते फिर चलो दौड़ो फिर.
Hey guys, so I'm at Pind. Pind is how you say farm in Indian language. So if you come to your right, you can see these stairs, and then here are the buffaloes. I'm not going to go through the buffaloes, but I will show you. Yeah, there are the buffaloes. Hi. So I just said hi to a buffalo. Of course, they don't know what I'm saying. I was just doing that for fun. Now I'm going to come up with me to upstairs. So yes, I am coming upstairs. Up here, we got pretty much an open area. Down here, you can look back to the buffaloes. And these are Indian buffaloes. Bit of a bench here. A wood bench. I think so, it may be metal as well. So we are right now at our farm, and right now you can see a lot of wheat, and it is right now in India harvesting for wheat. This year, well, not this year. So for like all the farms and stuff, and right now we are going to I forgot what it's called, but yeah, a maze. We're going to a maze, and yes. Oh yeah.
ਇਹ ਚਾਹੀਗੀ ਵੀਟਾ ਦੇ ਆ ਦੇ
Show me.
ਆ ਗਿਆ
Oh, that's wheat.
ਆਇਆ ਵੀਟ ਹਾਂ
Oh, okay. This is corn. It looks a bit different than corn. Because the first time I saw them, I was like, what is that? So, yeah. So, yeah. Just gonna carefully go in front of you. So, all of this is all wheat. I mean, corn. From all the way over there, you can see even those green stuff over there are corn.
ਆਹ ਕਿੱਲੇ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਅਚਾਰ ਲਈ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਚੱਲ 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 ਚੱਲ